In front of me is Xiaomi 14 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can change default apps. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access apps. Then tap on Manage Apps. Select those three dots at the top right corner and click on Other Settings. Finally, you can tap on Default Apps at the top and tap on any of those sections to manage them. In my case, Browser app. Lastly, click on the one that you wish to apply. And when you finished, click on the back button. As you can see, after that, my default app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!